something?
I'm videotaping. I can't.
Okay, then I'm going to go on my head.
Don't hit it hard.
Wait, look how big my splat came out. Wait. Hey, what happened? Hey, what happened? Oh, look, it smells. We leave this here. Mine will pop up in yours. We leave this there. Then give me the plate of fork there. Wait, watch this. Give me the plate of fork over there. Oogie, can I tell you something? Watch this.
Get him the Play-Doh fork.
The plate. It farts. It farts. Mommy, when you put it in a jar, Lucas, it will fart. This. It's slime. We're playing with my own slime. Is somebody coming over to our house?
I think we're going to Grampy's today.
What if we mix our slime, then it'll be purple?
We're not mixing our slime.
I know. What if we did?
It would probably
Turn out purple.
eventually.
And then we make another car, another one for a rainbow, then we'll make a sword.